Hey guys, what's up? It's Ava. So today I'm going to be doing a blindfolded food test with my victim, Skyler. Okay, so what we're going to do is I have 5 hidden foods under this plate over here. And I'm going to blindfold Skyler, or she's going to blindfold herself maybe. And then she is going to guess the food. She's going to guess the food, and then she's going to get 5 foods for me, and whoever is the winner, whoever gets the most of them correct, and we'll have a bonus round. And if we both get all 5 correct, then we'll both have to do it. Okay.
The bonus round is going to be Jelly Belly jelly beans flavors. But we're going to eliminate the disgusting, gross flavors like popcorn and pretty much the other half of the jelly bean flavors. So moving on with competition. Let's go. She's going down.
You're okay.
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 Good to go. I can't see
anything.
Nope. And I got my eyes closed anyway. Okay. Spoon or not?
No.
Hand. Okay. That scared me at first. I was like, ew, what's that going to be, something gross? Ooh. Honestly, it was something gross. It's cheese.
Yes, it is. So she has 1 point.
Oh gosh, this is going to be so hard. Some kind of candy bar.
How about you have to say which type of candy bar? I have another half of a piece.
How many guesses do I get? Wait, okay. 3 Musketeers?
Yes.
Oh, okay, I was going to say 3 Musketeers or Milky Way. So we get 2 guesses on the food, and if we guess on the second try, then we get a half a point, and if we guess
On the first try, then we get a full point.
yeah, and we don't get a third try to guess. So we get 0 points. I get 2 points. Ew. Oh my gosh. What is this? Ew. I don't know what it is. It's like soda. It's the candy things like the soda.
What's the name?
Soda. No, bottle pops.
Yes.
Right? Yeah, bottle pops.
Okay, so she's
I
gotten
like bottle
3 out
pops.
of the 5 correct, and we still have 2
I'm
more
gonna spit
foods
this
to
thing out.
go.
I don't want to eat it. Alright.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Open it up. Choo-choo! Open it up.
Oh my gosh, it gave me like a lot of peanut butter.
Actually, I gave you more of the other thing.
Peanut butter.
And?
Nutella?
Yep.
I get a half point because you had a, I don't know, what do I get?
You get a full point.
Alright, yeah, I got a full point.
Okay. This is the last food.
Can I use a spoon? If there's a spoon?
No. Kind of have to lick your hands.
Is it sugar?
No.
Is that Nestle chocolate powder?
Yes.
I prefer the liquid version of this to chocolate milk. Am I done?
Yes. Okay, so she got 5 out of 5, and now...
Ew, that's really gross.
And now we are going to...
Make her 5 different challenges of food. So let's go.
Okay, so now that I made the food for Skylar, she prepared a plate of food for moi. And she's gonna give it to me.
Okay.
Just put on the blindfold.
Blindfold. This is going to be a good one, guys. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. First one, spoon.
Ow.
You don't like that? What is it? Come on now. Nice. What is it? And more? More?
It's peach yogurt.
Peach yogurt. Winner, winner, winner. What's this? Hand. What is it? You don't have to get a flavor because for some reason it has a flavor.
Peach thin.
Close second. Try. I can give you half because it's like pretty much a wheat thin. But it's close one with the T.
Triscuit.
She's got it. That's a full point. Alright, next one.
It tastes like a wheat thin.
Yeah, it's like cheddar parmesan flavor. Alright, hand out. I'm pouring something in your hand. And no, it is not sugar, it is not brown sugar, and it is not Nestle or...
Ew!
You don't like this stuff? Ah, good. Pour it on there. You don't like it? What is it? Candy.
Some kind of candy, like dust. Pixie stick?
Yep.
Sour.
Oh, duh. Alright, here's the next one. And oh my god. I just decided to put it in your mouth. What is that? The best part comes next.
A tortilla.
Tortilla. See. Alrighty, you're gonna enjoy this one.
No, I'm not.
Hand. Spoon. It's on the tip of the spoon. Here you go. Keep eating it. I'll eat some. Of candy. And a
Is
tube.
it Warhead gel?
Close. It's a squeeze pop by what? By what brand? Like what?
A squeeze pop.
It's kind of hard to know the name of this, so I'm giving it to you.
By Willy Wonka.
That was a good guess. Hubba bubba.
What?
Hubba bubba.
Oh, Hubba
Bubba. Hubba bubba.
What color is it?
Yes.
Blue?
Yes again.
Green?
Yes again.
Red?
Yes again. Pink.
Oh.
Strawberry. I could have given red to you.
Is that the last one?
Uh-huh.